Hello friends, another day at the store. We're rather slow, so I am going to be making some honey vanilla lip scrub. So I've already put sugar and coconut oil already in my bowl, so I just need to add some honey and we can blend it up and see how it turns out. I've added 4 tablespoons of just plain white sugar. 4 tablespoons of coconut oil, and I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of our local honey. Okay, here's the last one. Make sure we get all that out of there. Okay, and the last thing we are going to add is vanilla, and I make bourbon vanilla paste. This stuff is amazing. So we're going to use just 1 tablespoon because it's really strong. And I'll dip the other side. And if you haven't made any bourbon vanilla paste, this makes great gifts. Sorry guys, duty called. I had a customer to stop what I'm doing so the boss doesn't get mad. But anyway, let me get my glasses on. Okay, I did add the honey and the vanilla paste, and all you do is just mix this up, and it makes a great lip scrub. Just apply it on your lips. This makes great gifts. See, and there you go. And you have honey vanilla lip scrub. So I have these little containers right here, and we just fill those up. Not a whole lot fits in here, but you don't need a whole lot anyway. Let's see. And there you go. And they come with a little lid. And this makes a little cute little gift. Okay. I hope you guys make it, and you can change up the whatever flavor you would like. And again, you just need sugar, 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. And this is just to make 1. So I made it, how many times did I? 4. I did it times 4. So that's why I added 4, 4, and 4. And then I added a teaspoon of the honey, of the bourbon honey vanilla. That's not even right. Oh my gosh. Of the honey, it's not even honey. Oh my gosh. Bourbon vanilla that I made. So this smells really good. So you don't need much of this. And then you mix everything together and mix it in a bowl. And voila. I hope you guys try it out.